4 steps to getting your Shark 2-in-1 WandVac back up to full suction. Step 1. Let's make sure the bin is empty, and then we're going to remove the bin and then take out the small filter that's inside. We're just going to clean the filter with a dry brush. This is to get any of the dust out. What's happening is, when the filter gets filled with dust, it creates a barrier in front of the motor, so it's never going to pick anything up off the floor. If you've never done this with your filter and you think it's too far gone, you can click on the link in the description and buy a new one. Once the filter's clean, we're going to put it back into position. Step 2 is to make sure the different areas in the bin itself are clear of dust. There's a permanent filter that can get covered in dust, and also down at the end in this small area there's a flap that opens and closes as you vacuum. Check that there's nothing behind that, because that will be stopping it opening fully. Step 3, the easiest step out of all of them. Take your tube off, have a look down it, make sure that you can see daylight and there's nothing in there. The tubes on these vacuums are quite small, so can get blocked quite easily. Step 4, the floor tool. Nice and easy again. We're going to use a coin to undo the sole plate underneath. There's 3 little screws which you can see, and then this just lifts up. And this will allow you to see if there's any blockages in there and clear them if there is. Again, like the tube, you can look down it just to make sure that you can see daylight at the other end, and then simply put it all back together again. We're going to refit the floor tool to the pipe, and then the handheld part goes onto the pipe, and you're free again to vacuum. This should make your suction back up to new, and it's a good thing to do perhaps every 1 or 2 months. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Shark help videos. This video is particularly great if you're wanting to give your floor tool a deep clean.